Why did you have to move?
Well, good morning. Welcome to day 2 in our modification, redesign, remodeling, love seat, L-shaped couch.
In my pajamas.
Well, we got the major project done, which is getting it back in order, and also the paint on the walls, which is looking awesome.
Yay.
And today we're just gonna finish up the final touches, nailing a few panels together and making the couch a little bit more pretty, taking the blue tape off the walls so we can get a cleaner paint job, and then finding new places to put new things, because now our storage has completely changed. Jag don't look like he liked it last night.
Well, he's used to sleeping on the couch, and we had all this stuff on top of it, so he wasn't able to climb up on top. So he was not a fan. He kept going in the bathroom, and he knows how to close the door into the bathroom.
But he was doing it because I pulled out the fly swatter and was swatting these bugs. And every time Jag saw me pull out the fly swatter, he ran into the bathroom and closed the door.
We need to find a camera to record that sometime, just to show you he knows how to close the bathroom door.
Well, I woke up this morning to get my coffee, and the first thing I noticed, in a free open space, nobody was in his bed. Where was he? I go in the bathroom, he's hiding in the bathroom again. I'm like, what is it with this bathroom? But we took him for a walk this morning. He ate his breakfast, and we're about to go eat ours and then finish up our final touches. So hope you enjoy the rest of this long video.
It's gonna be like part 2.
Oops, I forgot you. Come with me. Oh, she's putting the curtains back.
Yay. Or the rod part.
All right, brace with me. Now, because of this and in here, we want it to stretch up there. So we're gonna kind of connect them. So I'm gonna screw this into the wall here. And then screw this into this, and that way just comes flush over there and make it look pretty with it. So it shouldn't be hard. Okay. Finally done with the final touches. That's in place. That's in place. The iron is looking good. Now we just put this back. Oops. There that go. There that go. There that go. Get it in. Thank you. It's a mess in here, but got an end table and an L-shape-ish couch. We'll just put some pillows there. Pretty much we was able to, as I showed you, screw this into the wall so this can go on top of it. That way it got a seamless look, and it worked out so well. It ends right there at the end table. You wouldn't even know. Now we got more space to walk around. This whole big old area is more of a bigger area now. We still got enough space inside. We gave ourselves a little bit more space there, and we still got original space there. The wall is beautiful. This looks gorgeous. Now when we get out of bed, we got a wider view. Let's clean up.
Good job, baby.
Well, as you see, we finally done.
Yay, we finished!
It took a 2-day project.
I had a feeling it would take 2 days.
I shot my finger in the with a nail gun. My hands are filthy, dirty, and ruggedy.
He was actually a man for a moment.
This was a tough job, but the first time I've ever done anything like this. Worked out great. We had to bust our heads together to definitely come up with a plan sometimes to make it work and fit as best as possible. But we got space.
We do. And we have an end table. It's all painted and nice and fresh. And we can actually lounge around and do things. And, oh, it's so nice.
It feels so empty.
It's very spacious.
I can hear my voice echoing.
It feels like I'm in a slide, and we don't have a slide. It's opened up the space so much. It's insane.
The RV nerd, he always said, brighter looks better, better looks bigger, bigger looks something, something.
But I'm glad that we did this renovation. It looks really great with our backsplash, which is over our oven and kitchen area. So with the color mixtures, it's really made it seem like a home. So thank you for following us and seeing us along our journeys.
Don't forget, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe.
And hit that subscribe button. That way we can vibrate in your pocket every time we upload a new video.
But anyways, keep following us on
Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. And don't forget to become our Patreon and help us make more videos like this.
Yes.
Thank you once again to one of our patrons.
The link is down below.
Alright. Well, we're going to head out, and it was a lot of cleaning, so now we just want to relax. Bye.
Bye.